Hi, I'm Rohini from tubestudy.com. Now I'm going to explain you about how to prepare our logos in a CorelDRAW software. CorelDRAW is one of the unique and finest software which is used for preparing a logos, designings and flux designings and brochures and etc. For that I'm just going to a CorelDRAW application. I just want to prepare a floral design like this. See, first of all, see this floral design consists of 5 colored petals and also small bubbles with the transparency effects and is small stars like this. So we can prepare all these things in a CorelDRAW. Now I'm going to prepare that. Open a CorelDRAW software. Now give a page size to A4. And now select a Bezier tool. First of all, what we have to do, the first step is select a Bezier tool and click on one end like this and click on another end like this. Draw a shape like this along a triangle shape. Now select this and go to a shape tool and select the first line of this triangle and click on this and click a left mouse button and select a to curve option. We can also select in the property bar, this is the convert curve option, such that this line will be converted into a curve. Now select these two curve option and drag this anchor points like this to get a perfect shape, and do the same thing to the next line also. Now select the bottom of this layer, this petal, and select this, click on this. Now select this add node point. This is an add node point, and select this and drag inner to the petal like this. Now take a shape tool and give us some shapes to this petal. Fine, we'll get the petal shape. See, this is the petal shape. Now I just take a duplicate of these petals by pressing a Ctrl D. Take a 4 petals like this. Yeah. Now give a color to this particular petal. For that I'm going to fill tool. In this I'm selecting a fountain fill of shortcut key F11, such that the fill tool preset will be available. Now select the fill tool type into a linear and select the color blend into a custom. Now select the colors. Why I am choosing a custom means, if I am choosing a 2 color means I can only give a 2 colors. If I choose a custom means I can give more number of colors. First select a light color and then somewhat dark. Click OK. Outline none. Yeah, I had just created 4 petals like this, and I had filled a color to this 4 petals. To give an inner effect like this, I'm just going to do in a CorelDRAW. First take a Bezier tool and draw a triangle which you have done before. Go to a shape tool and shape this triangle into this mode like this. Fill a color to this. Now take another one, select the shape tool, again take another one, select a shape tool and give a shape to this. Take a copy of this, select all these things and group all these things by pressing a Ctrl G. Now give a small transparency effect. For that I'm selecting a transparency tool. I'm going to keep this thing in that petals. For that I'm selecting these petals, first petal, and resize this. Now I just want to insert these particular effect into this petal. For that I'm selecting this and go to effects, take out a power clip option and select a place inside frame and click on this. To edit this particular one, just click on this edit power clip Now I can adjust this and press stop editing contents such that it clearly and perfectly fits into this particular petal, and it looks more natural. Done the same process to all these things. Now arrange all these petals in an order like this. Do the same thing and arrange the small flowers at the center. Take a copy of all these petals. Arrange this small petals also like this. Arrange like this. I just want to prepare I just completed these petals and the inner effects. Now I just want to prepare these bubbles like this and stars. After arranging all these things, press Ctrl G to group. Now I just want to prepare a small bubbles. For that I'm going to take a circle shape of or ellipse tool of shortcut key F7. Now resize some of the bubbles into a small shapes and some into a large shapes by pressing a Ctrl G. Make all these into a group. Select this and resize this and place this. Select these bubbles and select a transparency tool. Keep this transparency tool into radial such that it gives some bubble effect like this. Now I'm going to make this some small tiny stars to give a more attractive thing. For that I'm going to select basic shapes to give a small stars in this in the top of the particular bubbles. For that I'm going to select basic tool shapes, and this I'm going to select a banner shapes. In this we have a shape. Select that and drag on the workspace, and now resize this and give a small color. Resize this and keep this on a workspace at the top of this bubble such that it looks like a twinkle effect. Do the same process for these small bubbles. Like this we can give a small twinkling effects in this particular water bubbles such that we can it looks like a sparkling effect. Make these all into a group. For that select all this image and press Ctrl G. Now I just want to give some of the background to this. For that take the petal object and give a light color to this, white color, and select this and resize this and keep this at the back. For that press shift page down such that this image will be sent to a backside, and resize this and keep like this. Do the same process for all these things. Press shift page down to send this image into back. Again resize this and give a shape. Now to add more effects to this, I'm just giving a dark background. For that I'm selecting a rectangle tool to get a more brightness to this particular image. For that I'm selecting a rectangle tool of shortcut key F6, and I just had drawn and give a light gray color and press shift page down to get this image to down, and such that the original image will be up. Like this we can prepare a floral image by using all these things in a Corel software. I just want to add a more effectiveness for this image. For that I'm just now arrange all these petals and these bubbles in a background of this image to get a more effect on this particular workspace. For that I'm arranging these leaves, these petals, and also give some sparkling effects to this. For that go to our basic shapes and select this and click and drag on this particular areas and give a white color to the sparks such that it looks more beautiful and effective. Like this we can prepare a many number of logos and designs and wallpapers and brochures in this particular Corel software. Thank you for watching.